Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Kraken Heart in Fish. First, let's prepare for the hunt. You'll want to equip your most powerful weapon, perhaps one with a damage rating of at least 150, and wear armor offering at least 75 points of defense. Make sure your character has reached at least level 50 to stand a good chance. Don't forget to stock up on about 10 major healing potions and 5 stamina elixirs. These will be crucial for survival during the fight. Now, let's talk about finding this elusive creature. The Kraken resides in the Sunken Grotto, a mysterious area deep within the Whispering Sea. You'll need to dive to a depth of approximately 200 meters to find the entrance. Look for 2 distinct, ancient coral pillars that glow with a faint blue light. They mark the path. Once inside, carefully navigate through the winding underwater caves for about 3 minutes until you emerge into a vast, open chamber. Engaging the Kraken requires strategy and quick reflexes. Its primary weakness is its head, so concentrate your attacks there. Be mindful of its massive tentacle slams, which can deal over 200 points of damage. Dodge these by moving quickly to the side. When it releases its blinding ink, swim away for about 5 seconds until your vision clears. After taking significant damage, the Kraken will become briefly stunned, offering a perfect window to unleash your most potent abilities. Congratulations, you've defeated the mighty Kraken. Once it falls, a shimmering purple Kraken heart will materialize at its defeated location. You have approximately 30 seconds to collect it before it vanishes, so act swiftly. This rare item is incredibly valuable, often used in crafting legendary gear or powerful enchantments. With your new Kraken Heart in hand, you can now safely return to the surface and enjoy the fruits of your challenging, yet rewarding, adventure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.